Welcome to Hello Kiran Career YouTube channel. On this channel, we bring you a variety of content aimed at helping you build a brighter future. Whether you are looking to learn software skills with easy to follow tutorials, stay updated with the latest job opportunities, or explore important social awareness topics, Hello Kiran Career has got you covered. Let's see the content, software tutorials, job updates, and social awareness. In software tutorials, we covered HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, React, WordPress, Node.js, Express.js, MongoDB, Python, Django, PHP, Laravel, MySQL, Git and GitHub, and MS Office, spoken English, and interview questions. So all these content covered in software tutorials. Next, job updates. In these job updates, we covered government jobs, private jobs, software jobs, bank jobs, NBFCs, core jobs. And coming to social awareness, we covered general awareness, general knowledge, and mainly social trending issues. So these are all the contents uploaded in our channel, from step-by-step guides on mastering software, real-time job alerts, and insightful discussions on issues that matter. So we are here to help you grow and succeed in your career. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. Together, let's learn, grow, and make a difference.